Hey guys, Robert Scott back with another quick video. Today is the 60th day that I've been involved in Legendary Marketer. And as a matter of fact, yesterday I just got my first commission. It wasn't big, but hey, it's a start. And so I just want to say, I want to thank David Sharp and his staff for setting up a wonderful, wonderful platform where newbies like me can come and be embraced and learn and be given the information that will definitely catapult me to the top someday. I just want to say that, in the beginning, I was somewhat frustrated because I didn't really look at it as a business. I really was trying to make some quick money. And I realized that it's a business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's a business. And just like any other business, you have to learn how to do the business. So I calmed down. I'm going to the back office. I've decided to run Facebook ads and YouTube ads. And that's where I'm concentrating. And I just want to say that I went from getting no leads to now, today I got the most I've ever gotten, which I got 7 leads in one day. I also, like I said yesterday, I got 1 member. So I think I'm in the right place. I really do. For only $30 a month, I'm getting a chance to get the type of quality training and information that's in the back office. That's a no-brainer because how much do people pay to go to college and still end up not getting a job or getting half-ass information that really is not usable? So if you're a newbie and you want to get into learning online marketing, digital marketing, if you are someone who has already been in this space but you haven't had much success, or if you have not gotten online and you want to get online and learn how to market your business online, I suggest you click the link, get your free video, get your free book, and come on in. Like I said, for only $30 a month, you can test drive it. If you like it, continue. If you don't like it, you don't have to continue. All right? Once again, I want to thank David Sharp and Legendary Marketers. If it wasn't for them, there would be no me. Talk to you later. Peace.